Today I'm making an easy one-pan spicy Cajun butter sauce that comes together in minutes and goes with just about everything. It's rich, bold, and packed with flavor. Let's get started! In a small pot, we start with 1 pound of unsalted butter. You can use salted butter if you like it a little saltier, but for my family, unsalted gives the perfect balance. Next, add a 1/4 cup of fresh minced garlic for that fragrant punch. Then 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika for warmth and color. We'll also add 3 tablespoons of Old Bay seasoning. It adds savory depth and really brings out the seafood flavor. For a bit of heat, we love using 1 tablespoon of crushed red chili flakes. It's optional and can be adjusted to taste. Along the same lines, we add 2 teaspoons of cayenne pepper and 2 teaspoons of chili powder, also adjustable to your preference. For herbal notes, we'll use 1 tablespoon of dried thyme and oregano, plus 2 teaspoons of black pepper and 1 tablespoon of crushed onion or onion powder. Finally, 1 tablespoon of Zatarain's crab boil gives the sauce that classic Louisiana seafood boil flavor and aroma. You can use your preferred brand if you like. After adding all the ingredients, give them a quick shake, then simmer the mixture over low heat. Simmering for about 3 to 5 minutes helps bloom the spices, soften the garlic, and fully infuse the butter with flavor. You'll notice the sauce starting to bubble gently, releasing a rich, savory aroma with a warm, reddish-golden glow that's irresistible. When it's done, the Cajun butter sauce is silky and smooth, with a beautiful, glossy texture. The aroma is bold, buttery, and inviting, with hints of garlic, smoked paprika, and the fragrant Louisiana spices. This sauce is incredibly versatile. Spoon it over veggies, seafood, boiled eggs, or use it as a dip for bread. It tastes delicious with everything, and you can really put it on anything you like. You can even make it ahead of time and prepare your seafood boil later. It's that convenient. The rich, buttery, and spicy flavors enhance almost every dish you pair it with. Store your Cajun butter sauce in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to a week. For longer storage, freeze it in small portions using ice cube trays or silicone molds. Once frozen, transfer the cubes to a freezer bag and keep for up to 3 months. Gently reheat before using to maintain that silky texture, and stir occasionally so the spices and butter stay perfectly combined. And that's it, our easy one-pan spicy Cajun butter sauce. It's perfect on seafood, veggies, bread, or anything you love. Try it at home, adjust the heat to your taste, and enjoy bold, buttery flavor in just minutes. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to save this recipe for your next meal. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes. See you next time!